Welcome back to Rusty Nail Ridge. Today we're doing an oil change on a Predator 2000 inverter generator. There's 3 screws at the top and you can pop the side right off. Throw the thing up on a couple of concrete blocks. There's no way to change the oil without dumping the thing on its side, so make sure that the gas cap vent is closed all the way. Otherwise, you're going to dump gas everywhere. Make sure your container is in the right spot and just kind of eyeball it and tip the thing on its side. You may have to adjust a little bit, move your container back and forth till you get it just right, and you can balance the generator where it needs to sit for all the oil to drain out. These little generators take about 13 ounces of 5W30, so it doesn't take very long for everything to drain out, just as long as you're on a flat level surface. And then when I tip it back up, I usually try to throw a rag there right away, because there's always just that little bit from when you first tilted it or when you're tilting it back. Ooh, doesn't that look tasty? And now we're ready to refill it. Like I said, it's about 13 ounces of 5W30. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.